Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a membrane water filter water bottle filter. We're gonna check this thing out. I'll show you what it is. And let's see, we got some instructions in there. So it comes packed as such. It's like a Nalgene kind of bottle in here. So this is it here. And so it's got a screw top here for drinking and a little, bite one there. And if you've used like some of those kind of life straws and things like that, it's going to be very similar to that concept. Let's see if I can take these out. I think I have to do one at a time. There we go. And so these are going to be the filters, and we have a little silicone pack in there. Okay. So what we've got is we've got the filter. It looks like it comes with two of these, so we have a replacement for when we get enough goop. So we got this one here. So we have it open, and the way this will work is this will screw into here, and then we have, there we go. And now as it's on here and we suck our water through here, so if we have to fill up from a stream, it's probably like emergency kind of thing, or if we just want to clean the water, like if I go to an RV park, because I'll be taking my camper around, if I fill up just from a random RV park and stuff like that, I'm probably not going to just want to drink the water straight. I always like to have it filtered somewhat. So I mean, it's usually healthy water around the country, but this will help make it cleaner. So I will just be able to fill this up and drink it from here, and I will have nice clean water. How cool is that? Nice little thing, nice big bottle. I like the blue color and everything on it too. It's got their little logo on there. And so this is really cool. And it's got the little handle here so I can kind of hang it up outside my van or inside my van, wherever I need it. And we are good to go. So super nice, convenient little item here. So definitely pick up one of these if you need to be having some clean water. Thumbs up.